All right, y'all, here we go again, man. Walmart running. Walmart running. Let's see what we can find today. See if I can get lucky with something. Now, the reason why I'm up here because I had to drop my wife off, so I'm just here. Man, nothing there. I just know it. Let's see what we got here. Look like they was restocking something, or maybe, I'm not sure. But we gonna go slowly. Someone showed me a picture of this. They got the whole set. Or was it this one? Interesting. You know what? I did get this one. I don't think I'm gonna get it again. I did get that Matchbox. I'm gonna get it again, I think. All right, so it is a little cleaner. This is pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? If there's a chase anywhere. Man, they don't went through the haulers, but yeah, it's the same haulers. There's nothing there. Let's check the pink slips. Now, I was told to be a chase, it has to be pink. I already picked up that mellow yellow Coca-Cola. Just the Vans. Trucks. Damn, these trucks just gonna sit there. Fast and Furious. What is that? Damn. All right. Well, let's see. Oh, you got this one right here. Last one left. Got the van. All right, guys. This is a dry run. Well, you know what? Hold up. Yeah, these are the same trucks from before. They just cleaned them up.